Hello there guys, Mark here. I hope you are well. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate the anchor bend. It is also referred to as the fisherman's bend, and contrary to the name, it is not actually a bend. It is more of a hitch, so a knot designed to attach a piece of rope onto a ring, rail, or any other object. Here you can see an example of an anchor bend. It securely joins this piece of rope onto this ring. Besides being secure, it is also fast and simple to do. So let me show you how to tie it. Let's attach this cord onto this ring using the anchor bend. We take our working end, we pass through the ring, and through it for a second time. We pass over the standing end, then we travel through the two turns like this. Pull on the working end to tighten up, and pull on the standing end as well. Like this. And this is the basic form for the anchor bend. Usually it is secured by one additional hitch. So like this, and through like this. Tighten up, and this is the most common form for the anchor bend. Let me also show you a couple of ways to make the anchor bend more secure. Again, we're going to be attaching this piece of cord onto this ring. We start off passing through the ring and through it for a second time, just like in the regular anchor bend. To increase the security, you can increase the number of turns. So instead of 2, you can add a third one, like this. Then continue just like in the regular anchor bend. Pass over the standing end, then through your turns, like this, and tighten up. Pull on the working end, pull on the standing end, like this. And this is the basic form. Just like before, I would secure it using an additional hitch. So I pass over my standing end and under and through. Like this. And this is one way of further securing your anchor bend. The second way of making the anchor bend more secure is that instead of a single hitch, at the end, we line up a few more. Exactly the same way. Like this. This also adds to the security of the anchor bend. Primarily, I would rely on extra turns, but additional hitches also add an additional layer of security. So guys, that's pretty much it for the anchor bend. A secure, easy to do, and easy to remember hitch for attaching your rope onto various objects. Guys, thank you very much for joining me in this short tutorial. I hope to see you next time as well.